GoTo Resolve's remote monitoring is a tool that promises to simplify your IT support and monitoring process, but is it really the right choice for your business? In this video, we'll dive deep into GoTo Resolve's remote monitoring, breaking down its features, pros, cons, and ultimately, whether it's the best option for your needs or if there's something better out there. First thing we need to talk about is its core functionality. GoTo Resolve offers remote monitoring and management tools that are designed to help IT teams keep tabs on their systems without being physically present. This includes tracking performance, setting alerts for issues, and providing remote access to devices for troubleshooting. At first glance, this might seem like a dream come true for any IT professional, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Next thing to consider is how GoTo Resolve handles remote access. While it offers strong capabilities to remotely control and fix issues, it's not the smoothest experience. Remote sessions can sometimes feel slow, especially if you're working with a larger network of devices. This can impact productivity, especially when you're working against the clock to resolve a critical issue. It's functional, but there are faster, more efficient options out there that perform better. The third thing worth mentioning is its integration with other GoTo services. For businesses already using GoTo's conferencing, support, or meeting tools, GoTo Resolve is designed to integrate seamlessly, offering a unified experience. But if you're not already in the GoTo ecosystem, this integration might not matter much to you, and you could feel like you're paying for features you don't need. The fourth thing to discuss is the software's pricing. GoTo Resolve does offer a competitive pricing structure, especially for smaller businesses. However, as your business scales or your monitoring needs grow more complex, the cost can quickly balloon. It's also not the most transparent pricing model, and some users have expressed frustration with hidden fees that pop up when you expand your service options. Another important point is its reporting capabilities. GoTo Resolve does offer basic reporting, but it's not as advanced or customizable as some other remote monitoring tools. If your business relies on in-depth analytics to make IT decisions, you might find GoTo Resolve lacking in this department. Finally, let's talk about what really matters: alternatives. GoTo Resolve does a lot of things well, but there are other tools out there that might serve your needs better. For instance, tools like NinjaRMM or Adara provide more flexibility, better reporting, and often better overall performance. These alternatives also offer strong remote monitoring capabilities, but with smoother integrations, faster speeds, and more transparent pricing models. So, while GoTo Resolve's remote monitoring is a solid option for smaller businesses or those already embedded in the GoTo ecosystem, it's not without its drawbacks. And as promised, I have an exclusive offer for you. If you want to try GoTo Resolve yourself, we have an extended free trial through our link, offering you more access and benefits than the standard trial. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution, don't forget to check out the alternatives we mentioned, which also offer free trials and, in many cases, more features to suit your business goals.